Hi everyone, there's a quick update on how to install the backup camera with the Tesla screen. I wanted to connect my original camera, but then I decided not to go with that route in case if my Tesla head unit stops working, then I might have to put my original head unit back, and then my OE camera is not gonna work anymore. So I already had a camera with me. I mounted that camera onto the license plate frame right here, and then I routed the cable right here. This is the camera cable, and then I tucked the cable wire under the trim pieces. Then the wire goes all the way to the front, tucked under here. You don't have to remove any of these trim pieces. You can just simply push it in with some kind of a tool that's not very sharp, so it won't damage the wire. Once I routed the wire, then I had hard time finding making the camera work. And with the Android system, there's always one wire that is labeled as back, so even if you plug in your audio video port, it's not gonna work unless you connect this red wire with the wire that is plugged into the Tesla screen, and that wire will have a label of back or written on it. This label is back. Sorry, I can't show you properly, but this label says back. So you have to connect this red cable with this back cable, and then when you put the car in reverse, your reverse camera will come on. Bye.